Good morning. What's happening on this day 18? We are back up in here and we are taking. Who's that? Who's that? Sonic duty. Yep, we are taking Sonic duty and Nani Tootie to school. Yeah, man. Good and early. Look at the sun. Ooh, Lord. Should have got my shades.
Stinky Sonic?
Stinky Sonic.
Yeah.
Are you Stinky Sonic?
No.
Oh. Which Sonic are you? Huh? The good one? Okay. Good Sonic. Well, yeah. So, taking good Sonic to school. It's crazy because the girls are. Hopefully they send. I think she sent me some pictures. I don't know if she sent me no videos, but I think she sent me some pictures, man. My daughter and them are on a cruise, man.
Yeah.
BB and Jordy is on a cruise. So they will be back one day. I'm not sure when they'll be back. I think on the 23rd. Yeah, I think they'll be back on the 23rd. So. Yeah. We're gonna be BB and Jordan-less vlogging for a couple days. But yeah. So y'all know what to do. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, tap the notification bell. Hit the links, man. Please hit the links. Let's try to get these videos to 100 likes. 75 I won't be mad, but 100 is the goal. I've been vlogging every day for the past 15 days because I still got a video to upload. You know what I'm saying, that I didn't upload. But for the most part, man, I've been trying to do this for, you know what I'm saying, every day. I mean, it's hard. It's extremely hard, you know what I'm saying, because I still got everyday life going on, so, yeah. But let us go ahead and get them over there to school. Yeah, I see big fan over there. Go that way?
Yeah.
Ah, shit, I shouldn't. Well, I can catch rains though. I see big fan over here being big fan. Yeah. Fine self. It's early, she don't want to talk to y'all right now. Give him a fist pump, baby. Fist pump. Black belt. Yeah, man. Let us get over here, man, and do. Oh yeah, yeah, I know I should get down. Yeah, get over here and do this. And I'll catch y'all, man, when I get to work. Yeah, I gotta go to work. Still ain't hit the lottery. Cold game. Right. Yo, what's happening? Boy, we in this jaunt, man, and yeah, I know it's been a while since I posted. I was going good for a minute, man. I told y'all, man, hey, the Vlogmas is not for the week, bro. Like, it ain't. It just ain't. I got behind one day, man, and it just threw everything off. Hello? Hold on. Oh. Hello?
I said, are you still trying to go anywhere or strike?
Yeah.
It's strike?
No, it's a place on Belvedere. You hear me?
What place?
It's called the Siki Sui.
Oh, send me the address. Send me the address.
Okay, I'm finna send it to you right now.
Or, where you at? Cause I don't see you no more.
I'm in front of you. I'm right here on BB King.
Okay, well I just saw you.
All right. Yeah, so 25 cent bill. Oh, yeah, man. So today, man, I decided. Well, yesterday I tried to, but got caught up. So, yeah, man, I'm finna take my wife on a date, man. Yeah, man, I'm finna take my wife on a date because I feel like we don't be really dating like that. So, yeah. What's going on? Yeah, so we finna try to, man, get over here, grab us a bite real quick, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, enjoy each other's time for a second. Enjoy a little conversation or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? We're doing something different. I told her, because I'm always asking her, like, man, what you want? What you want? What you want? So today, I was like, you know what, man, I'm just finna take over. I'm not asking her what she want. I'm just finna go and tell her. I'm finna tell her what we eating today. So that's what I did. I told her what we eating today, and we eating Japanese today. We going to eat some Japanese. So, yeah, little midday date, man. We ain't got the kids. We ain't got to worry about no childrens. So we're finna go and do this right here, man. So, when we pull up, let y'all see what's going on. I ain't really checked it out. I don't think neither one of us had it before, so I wanted some hibachi. You know what I'm saying? When they cook it in front of us, but hey, man, you know, it's just a little, like I said, a little midday date, man. Something just put together. I got out early, so something we just put together right quick. So let's go do that. I'll hit y'all in a second. You ain't gonna do no TikTok jump? So you ain't gonna do no TikTok jump? Huh? Is they open? Man, these folks ain't open. They're just not open at 4:30. Why the fuck it says open? Alright. Well, we going to that joint over there. The name is Takashi.
You want to walk?
You want to?
Yeah, the doing all the extra stuff.
You don't think they gonna tow our car? We leave them over though?
It don't say nothing about no tow.
Okay. Well, we gonna walk then. Walk over here to Takashi. Man. Baby, you almost gotta tell me what to get.
I don't know what to get.
You know, you done had Japanese food before, right?
No.
Oh.
I had hibachi.
So we both going to her blind. I don't know, y'all. This might not be. I don't smell nothing but weed over here. Security guard. Huh? Nah, that was. I'm talking about when that car was over there. Hold on, I got. I can't think of the name of my drink, man. I have to insert that. What you say? What did you get?
I got a Washington apple.
Washington apple. I got some Muse. I don't know what I got. I got a. Hold on. Let me see if I can find it. Hold on. Thank you. Yeah. So it's called Japanese Muse. What I get? Scallops. I got scallops and shrimp. Oh God, that is soft. I got that chicken. I got them scallops, man. Yeah. What's that? Church bell? Oh yeah. So what you, if you was to rate that restaurant, what would you rate it? 8. 8. Being that I ain't never had Japanese, I was gonna give it a 10.
Yeah.
And
Scallops was a little too smushy.
yeah, the scallops was a little too smushy, but I ain't never had no scallops before, so I ain't know that. But they was a little smushy.
They was fast.
They were fast, and they gave us the go-cuts for our waters. So I'm gonna give them a 9.5. I'm gonna give them a 9.5 simply because the scallops was smushy, too smushy. Everything else was fat though.
Service was good.
Service was good. Everybody was nice. Everybody was happy.
Yeah,
Some dude came in. I don't even know who that dude was. And I guess he was the manager or something. He was like, "Hey, how y'all doing? I fixed y'all some more drinks." I was like, "Nigga, who is you? How you even know what drinks we got?" So, yeah, I'm gonna give him about a 9, about a 9.5. I'm gonna give him a 9.5. So, you going to get the kiddos, and I'm going to pick up Christmas gifts. So, do a little more shopping. I told him I was gonna pay for his whatever he take, Uber or Lyft or whatever. I thought I was gonna pay for it. Huh? It ain't even what, $15? Go ahead. Yep, so I'm about to go and do that. I'm about to go and pick up her gifts. Sure enough. So you're right, Ray. Turn these lights on. Yeah, get some heat going on up in here. But yeah, man, I'm finna go do that. I enjoyed myself. I enjoyed my date. Damn, something just fell out of my pocket. Where'd she go? She gone. I don't know what that was, fell on. What's this? What is that? Oh, my camera batteries. Might be needing one of those in a second. But yeah. Let me go ahead and get out here to where I need to be. And yeah. So I can go and get home. I need to put my sweater on too, cause it's definitely a little chill out here. Put my sweater on. Whew. Do a little more vlogging. Catch y'all in a second.